Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going back to Shugborough Hall because I'm just testing. I'm just still testing. Can't speak today, can I? Oh, love's young lust. Oh. Today we're going testing again. More testing. I've unlimited. Well, no, I haven't. I'm limited to 150 amps purely because it might be a bit bloody stupid of me to actually unleash everything all in one go, because I don't know. I don't know if the battery will handle it. I don't know if the controller will handle it. I don't know if anything will handle it. So I've got to be bloody careful. Oh, wheelies. I love it. Oh, it's so nice round here. It's so scenic and just nice and treey. What the bloody hell's that? That's a place for trees. A treey place. I want to buy that house. How much is it? Is it for sale? Somebody left a comment a couple of weeks ago on one of my videos and said that nobody really gives a shit about your dating experiences in your life in general. Why don't you just talk about the bike? So I've decided, rather than talk about the bike, I'll just talk about f*** all. Anyway, enough of that. If you don't want to hear it, don't watch it. That's all I can say. Cattle grid. Didn't feel it. I want to go and see that thing. I don't even know what it's called. There's a thing up there. I want to go up there. I want to see that arch thing. How do I get up there? The thing I did last week was I changed the BMS because I thought it was the BMS. Well, evidently it bloody well isn't now. Oh god, it's bumpy. And it's cut out again. Oh my god, Jesus bloody hell, I mean, it doesn't do it justice, the bloody speed. Oh my god, power! Yeah, I can't go too fast off-road purely because this ain't designed for off-road. It'll shake itself a bit. It's like, I mean, when they design a Formula 1 car, they don't, oh shit, they don't design it for grass tracking, do they? Or bloody jumping and shit like that. If you try and jump a Formula 1 car, it's gonna break. This is basically designed the same, although it's not designed as a Formula 1 car, obviously. So there's somebody I know who actually knows what that is. It's called begins with an F, and I really don't know the name of it. Fiona, that's it. It's called a Fiona. I ain't got the faintest idea, and I don't even know why it's there.
Hello.
Hello, where are you?
Okay.
You.
Are you there yet?
You twat.
I'll only be 5 minutes. I'm just waiting for somebody to move out of the way of my jack.
Do you know I'm standing here and I'm actually recording you, and you're going to be on the next YouTube video, you wanker.
Yeah, well, I'll be 5 minutes.
Alright. I'm at the top of the hill.
Top of what hill?
I don't know, standing under that big archway thing.
Oh yeah, I'll come to the car park then.
I'm just going to take a shit, alright?
Yeah.
See you in a bit.
See you later.
Sure. Because these videos, my vlog videos, seem to be a lot more popular than building, there's going to be a lot of people who didn't actually watch the last video that I put about the new website that's up. It's what's it called now? the Simple Technical Advice Forum. It's gone. It's gone. Oh my god. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Whoa, 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 whoa. I ain't doing wheelies. Yeah, I'm not opening it up, unfortunately. I know you all want me to open it up completely bloody flat out, but I ain't doing it, purely because I'm testing. Are you good to go here? I don't think I'm going to go with any more power. It's dangerous. I've done stupid bloody speeds on a motorbike and I don't get scared, but I'm getting scared on this now. 160, I think it's 160 amps I've got going through it at the minute. I'll put a screenshot on screen. Well, where else would you put a screenshot, Tony, you dickhead? Look at that. Look at that. This is where the rich people live. Is that an old Bentley? So I've been slowly raising the power. I came out this morning and I bumped it up to 150 amps. And the front wheel, you can't keep it down. It's unrideable. I'm a bit pissed off, but I think I've bumped it up another 10 amps up to 160, and that's the limit. It won't. I can't put any more through it, purely because it's bloody dangerous. I didn't think it'd be as lively as it is. Let's put it that way. It's incredible. I've had a few emails off a few people who've said that their Litacala batteries are number one, they haven't got the capacity they wanted. And number two, they haven't got the ampage. They're not actually pumping out what they're supposed to pump out. You know, I've not had problems with these at all. Oh, look at this. No cars at all. Just me on the road and nobody to bother me in the slightest. This place is completely unspoilt. There's no cars. It's I'm about a mile off the nearest road. There's nothing. And I reckon I'm going to come around here and fly my plane. As you know, this morning I set out at 100 amps and then I've bumped the power up to 150 amps and it's unrideable. I don't know why. I'm a bit pissed off about it, to be honest, because I wanted to get at least 200 amps out of it and the battery will take it. I honestly think the battery will take it because I haven't got too much voltage sag, but it'll make it absolutely completely unrideable. The voltage sag, I think it's down to about was it 72 volts, I think the minimum voltage was, and that was pumping out 160 something amps. So I reckon I could probably put another 50 amps through it and it'd be okay. I'm sorry folks, I'm not that brave. I can't do it. So I've limited it now. We're on 160 amps, and that's believe it or not, that's just too much. It's dangerous. For me to say it's dangerous, it's dangerous. So I think now's about the time to announce what I'm going to be doing on version 4, which I'm already planning. I'm working out pricing and everything else, exactly what I need and what I've got to do, all the bits and the complexities in it, how I'm going to mount the motor, how I'm going to use the drive system. It's going to be a mid-drive. I reckon I can get about 30 kilowatts out of it. And the battery's going to be removable, as it is with this one, because it's just convenient. It makes things a lot better. Now I think what I'm going to use is either a Yamaha, a DT50, or I can't remember if it's the Honda MX-50. I may be using those, one of them, not both of them. Then again, I might. So it's going to be a moped with a 30 kilowatt output, which is, I don't know what that is, 35 horsepower. Because nobody's done anything just bloody ridiculously insane like that, so I'm going to do it. Now I know what I'm capable of and what I can actually do. I'm comfortable with it. But obviously everybody's got to start somewhere, everybody's got to learn from something or someone or some way. Hopefully I'll be able to teach somebody something on the journey. I'm not going down there because it's bikers and I don't like confrontation. Well, it's not confrontation. I just don't like showing off. I do, but I don't. I don't like people saying, "What's that? How fast that go? How far does that go?" I can't be doing with it. Anyway, folks, I'm going to end this one now before I've got to go back home. So I've got enough data now to go on with it, logging all the cell voltages and absolutely everything to actually find out exactly why it's cutting out. Hopefully it'll show me if one of the cells has gone over voltage or the battery's gone over voltage or whatever. I've got a screen capture obviously, so I can look at that as well. So I'll catch you all next time. And remember, life is definitely worth living on this measly earth. All you've got to do is get out there and do what makes you happy, and bollocks to what anybody else thinks.